Are you guys ever in a task and then suddenly you lose focus, you procrastinate? Well, I'm here to fix a solution for you because I will tell you my custom workflow, what I use to make my videos and how I post consistently on Instagram, on YouTube, etc. So first, what I do is kind of the idea phase. So what I have little cards and a pencil. So I write film video, film this short, film this thing, or do this thing. And then I put it right under my monitor, stick it under the bezel of the monitor, which I like because I can personally see it all the time. I'm at my monitor a lot of times, so I can see the task. So that's why I love having those. So that's kind of idea, task, to-do list. I don't do digital to-do lists because I personally like physical ones, like the physical action of checking off a box or the physical action of peeling off the sticky note from the computer's bezel. Let's say I have to film a video. I go into Notion, I go to my planning video section. That's kind of the list of video ideas I have. Of course, I blurred it out because you can't see my new videos coming out because it's very important and personal. Then I have a content calendar, which is basically when the video is coming out. That keeps all the videos organized because like I have so much scheduled videos, I kind of get them jumbled in my head and I forget which ones are coming out at this time and then I miss stuff. That's why I have this content calendar and it plans out a month or two of videos and content coming out. So that's why I love it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this helps you formulate your own workflow so you can be more productive and optimal of how you make videos online. Peace.